Hello, my name is Narsafia Arisha Ahmad Safri. Today, I would like to share my answer for question part A, question 1. Mr. Farouk is the founder and CEO of Special Marital Holdings. He wished to invest a portion of his business profits with the amount of 35,000 ringgit to generate additional earnings over time. As a financial advisor for the company, you have been assigned to assist him in deciding between the two following investment schemes. There's two banks, which is Easy Bank and Go Bank. For Easy Bank, the interest rate charged is 4.25% compound quarterly, for the Go Bank is 4.55% compound semi-annually. 1A. How much money will Mr. Farouk have in his investment account from each bank after 5 years? So for this question, I already assigned the information below. For this question, we use the formula S equals to P 1 plus I over N. First, we need to transfer the information to the formula, which is S equals to P 1 plus I power of N. So, S equals to P, which is 35,000, 1 plus I which is 0.010625, and N is 20. So, you will get the answer is 43,238.32 ringgit. The Go Bank, S equals to P, which is 35,000. 1 plus I is 0.02275 and N is 10. So you will get 43,829.40 ringgit. The question 1B is calculate the difference in the amount of interest between both banks. So we use a formula I equals to S minus P. For Easy Bank, I equals to S, which is 43,239.32 minus 35,000, which is we will get 8,238.32. For the Go Bank, I equals to S, which is 43,829.14 minus 35,000. So you will get the answer is 8,829.14 ringgit. So the difference in the amount of interest between both banks is 8,238.32 minus 8,829.40, you will get the answer is 519.82 ringgit.
Okay, so let's continue with question C, which is the question related with question B. So this question asking which bank more worth it. So I think the answer is Go Bank because the interest gain is higher, which is 43,829 ringgit 14 cent rather than 43,238 ringgit 32 cent. For the next question D, this question we must find present value for 7 years and other 3 years to complete 10 years. So this question we still use the same formula, which is S equal to P in brackets 1 plus I with power of N to find present value for the first 7 years. P equal to 35,000, K equal to 4.55% or 0.0455, M equal to 2, I equal to K over M, so I equal to 0.0245, N equal to M multiplied with T, which is 2 multiplied with 7, so N equal to 14. So we put them all in these formulas. S equal to 35,000 brackets 1 plus 0.0245 with power of 14. And we got S equal to 47,955 ringgit 77 cent. So this answer for 7 years, and we must count the present value for 3 years more to complete it 10 years. We still use the same formula but different filling. So we put the previous answer, P equal to 47,955 ringgit 77 cent, K equal to 0.049, I equal to 0.049 over 12, N equal to 36, and T equal to 3. So it will be S equal to 47,955 ringgit 77 cents bracket 1 plus 0.049 over 12 brackets with power of 36. So the final answer is 55,533 ringgit 30 cents. So that's all from me.
So let's take a look at our question 1. So let's highlight few keywords here, which is first one is 10 years. That will be our estimate time. And other than that, let's highlight 11,500. That will be our R, which is the the amount of money she have right now. And let's highlight also 3 months, which is that will be our times actually for our counting later. And then let's highlight 4.25% interest. That will be our K for interest. And let's highlight quarterly, which is our M later. Quarterly means in 12 months we have like after we divide by quarterly we will get the amount of later. So let's take a look at question A. Determine how much Soroja needs in her bank to fulfill her retirement dream fund. So in this question, we will use this equation, this formula given, which is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I with power of negative n divided by I. Then based on the question we just read just now, we can list all the information given, which is R equals to 11,500, K equals to 4.25%. We can change it to 0.0425 for more easier to use in calculation later. M equals to 4. Based on the information given, we can also look for I, which is K divided by M, which is we will get 17 divided 1,600. T, which is our time, we will use 10. And N equals to M times T, and we will get 40. And based on all of this listing of information, we will put it in our formula, which is, so the final answer we will get 373,155 with 5 cents. So let's take a look at our question B. So in this question, it is we must look for the amount after she retired at 60 years old. So we will use another formula, which is S equals to R in bracket 1 plus I power n minus 1 divided by R. So for our R, we will use the amount we get in A and list all the information, important information we get from the question, which is R equals to 373,155 5 cents. K, which is the interest rate, 2.4%. We can change it to 0.024, and will be 12 because in the question it is compounded monthly. And we can look for I, which is K divided by M, and we will get 0.002. T equals to 33 after minusing the time, which is 60 years, minus that. And we can look for N, which is M times T, and we will get 396. Using all this information, we can put it in our formula and we will get this. The final answer will be 618 ringgit with 80 cents.
So my answer for part B, question 2. So this is the question. First, we need to list out the information that have been given from the question. And for this question, we will use the annuity formula. A equals to R bracket 1 minus multiply 1 plus I, the power of negative n divided with I. First, we need to transfer the information into the formula. So we will get 337,500 equals to 1,471 bracket 1 minus multiply 1 plus 0.035 per 12, the power of negative n divided with 0.035 per 12. And we will get 337,500 divided with 1,471 bracket 1 minus multiply 1 plus 0.035 per 12, the power of negative n divided with 0.035 per 12. And we will get 229.435758 multiplied with 0.035 per 12 equals to 1 minus multiply 1.002916667, the power of negative n. And we will get 0.96691876275 minus 1 equals to negative multiply with 1.002916667, the power of negative n. And we will get negative 0.3308123725 equals to negative 1.0029166667, the power of negative n. And here we will erase the negative and we will use log for this question, and we will get log 0.3308123725 equals to negative n log 1.0029166667. Log 0.3308123725 will be divided with log 1.0029166667 equals to negative n. Negative n equals to negative 379.82, n equals to 379.82. So the total payment that Cambodia needs to make is 380.
Question 2b. First thing first, we need to list out the information that are given, which is n equals to 380 minus by 358, and we will get 22. R equals to 1471, M equals to 12, K equals to 0.035. For this question, we will use the formula of annuity, which is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of negative n divided by I. After that, we need to fill in the information and we will get A equals to 1471 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12 close bracket the power of negative 22 divided by 0.035 divided by 12. After that, we will get A equals to 1471 times by 21.28 and we will get the answer for A, which is around 31,301 and 40 cents. For the next step, we will find the total interest and we will use the formula of I equals to NR minus A. We need to fill in the information and we will get in bracket 22 times 1471 close bracket minus by 31,301 and 40 cents. And we will get 32,362 minus by 31,301 and 40 cents. And the answer of total interest is RM 1,060 ringgit and 60 cents.